Hey guys, today, bam, reason that we need a new tire. Got some metal in the tire, so we're going to be taking the Foolish repeat over to Emerald Coast Harley Davidson. They have a tire special, and it actually covers the tires on the street rod, even though they are Michelin Scorchers. Since we're on the street rod, obviously rocking the Captain America helmet. Emerald Coast Harley Davidson is down in Fort Walton Beach, so that's where we're cruising through. As you saw in the title, there's also a recall out for the street rods 2016 through 19, I believe. Maybe somebody should check that for me. But anyways, all three brake calipers have to be replaced, and Emerald Coast is going to do that while the bike's there. The new tire obviously won't change the look of the bike much, but it's definitely going to assist with the performance, and I will no longer have to put air in the tire every time I want to go ride it. Also, it may brake a little better with the calipers replaced. I don't think I was having any issues, but we'll see when we pick it back up. If you're getting a service done at Emerald Coast Harley and you choose to wait on your bike, there's this nice little bar area where you can watch TV or fill out a hog membership.